Well, g'day curd nerds. Today we're doing a taste test for the Portuguese style cheese that's called São Jorge or St. George. So I've had this cheese in the cheese fridge, ripening now for 9 months. I was supposed to taste it at 6 months, but you know me, I like to age them a little bit longer than what I say in the recipe. However, remembering that this cheese did take a little bit of effort to put together because it wouldn't press properly. It started to crack after it came out of the press and was air drying, so I vacuum packed it straight away. I did want to do a natural rind, but I won't be able to do it. Couldn't do that. So anyway, without further ado, let's get in and check out how it tastes, shall we? So 9 months ago, that's about September 2021. Sounds about right. Yeah, it was a while ago. Let's have a look. Oh, that's all right. Yeah, nice. No moisture in the bag. It's always a bonus, isn't it? Let's pop that out the way. Oh, smells nice. It smells very, very nice. It's got overtones of... Smells a little bit like a cheese that has some lipase added, but I didn't add any lipase, so yeah. Anyway, we'll see. So we'll cut her in the centre and then we'll cut it into quarters and see what she's like. Oh, she's a little bit crumbly, which is good. Got a bit of the crumbles going on. Okay, so that's nice. No mechanical holes to speak of, which is a bonus because we had such a pain getting it to come together. So I'll just cut another quarter. This looks like a really good cheese. Okay, so we'll pop that one up there. We'll get a slice, see if we can slice it without it crumbling. So don't get me wrong, it's got a little bit of moisture in it, so it's not totally, really dry or anything like that. So yeah, it cuts all right. What's the bending like? No, it doesn't bend very much. It's not elastic, but that's good, right? Okay, what I do need are some crackers. Forgot the cracker barrel. And it looks like the pixies have been at the crackers. They've left me like 3 crackers. Goodness me. What happens when you share a workspace, I suppose. Right. Doggos can have those. Okay, let's taste São Jorge, shall we? It looks pretty good. All right, so initial thoughts. The smell is great. It smells like it's got a great cheesy flavour. What? It doesn't smell milky. It smells like it's got a little bit of, just a slight bit of Parmesan odour. You know that odour when you get Parmesan? Anyway, let's try it, taste it. That's very similar to a vintage cheddar. Very similar. And it's got all the cheddary overtones as well. So it's got that kind of flavour profile. Not like Parmesan at all, even though it smelled a little bit. Oh, it smells like a vintage cheddar, yeah. For sure. Oh, that is beautiful. Try it with a bit of cracker. That is good. That would melt too. Grilled cheese sandwich, no problems. That's delicious. It's got a little bit of just a slightly, it tastes a little bit peppery. Yeah, just a little. I don't know why, but which is a good thing, right? I didn't add any pepper to it. It's got that little peppery taste to it. Just a little, just tiny amount. But if I had a packet of Cracker Barrel vintage tasty cheese, cheddar cheese, and put that next to this, you wouldn't be able to tell the difference. This is better, but yeah, you know what I mean. Oh, that is too good. I'm going for a second slice. I'll have to share this one with Kim, of course. Oh, this is perfect. It's beautiful. Delightful cheese. I'm glad I went to the trouble of making Sao Jorge. It really is a good cheese to eat. And look, this is one of those cheeses that you can't stop eating. So I'm really restraining myself here. It is delicious. Even though it was a fair bit of fuss to make, the taste is just sensational. Beautiful flavour. One of my favourites this year, actually. Very nice indeed. Of this style of cheese. I don't know if I've made too many, cheddar-y style. I know that when I did the smoked cheese video not so long ago, those cheeses were really like over a year old. And they were a little bit sharper. But this one's probably, 9 months as a vintage cheese, or close to a vintage cheese. A vintage cheese. But yeah, the flavour is exceptional. Really good cheese. So go do yourself a favour and go and make some Sao Jorge if you haven't already. I know a few of the Curd Nerds already have, and they've said it's exceptional. And it is one of their favourite cheeses, but yeah, great. I would love to go to the Azores one day and taste the real thing, but I don't think in this post-COVID world, or still going COVID world, I'll ever get to the Azores. But yeah, really, really nice cheese. So if you want to check out how I made Sao Jorge, you can go and check that out at the end card. There'll be a little video you can click there. If you want to make this cheese, then you could use the hard cheese kit that we have at littlegreenworkshops.com.au. So thanks for watching, Curd Nerds. It was a cheese that I didn't have many expectations for, just left it in the cheese cave, and it turned out to be a cracker. No pun intended. Delightful cheese. All right, well, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.